Ever wake up and wish for a magic potion that could solve all your skin problems? Ever wonder if there might be natural solutions out there, just waiting to be discovered? Well, today we're diving into a treasure chest of natural ingredients that, when combined with coconut oil, can work wonders on your skin. First up, we have not just your morning wake-up call. Coffee is rich in caffeine that increases blood circulation, helping to rejuvenate your skin. It brings a natural glow to your skin, banishing dullness and giving you that fresh, radiant look. Next in line is, or as it's known in Hindi, haldi. This golden spice is packed with a compound called curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Using turmeric can reduce skin blemishes and enhance your skin's natural glow, making it a natural beauty booster. Then we have, or chandan. Its cooling and calming fragrance keeps your skin cool and refreshed. Its antiseptic properties help reduce skin inflammation and soothe overheated skin. Sandalwood brings a natural glow and radiance to your skin. Last but certainly not least, we have, or long. Known for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, clove helps prevent skin infections and keeps your skin clean and healthy. It enhances blood circulation, boosting your skin's natural shine. Mixing these ingredients with coconut oil can help soften and brighten your skin. It nourishes your skin with essential nutrients and improves both the color and texture of your skin. But remember, always perform a skin test on a small area first and stop using if any signs of an allergic reaction appear. So there you have it, a treasure chest of natural ingredients that, when mixed with coconut oil, can help you unlock the secret to healthier, more radiant skin. Who knew the answer to all your skin problems could be sitting in your kitchen cabinet?